Hello, welcome to Programming Academic. And today we are going to learn lambda function. Lambda function in Python is a small anonymous function. A lambda function can take any number of arguments, but can only have an expression. So in syntax, we have a number of arguments and expression. And the expressions is executed and the result is the return. So, and we have 10 arguments or a arguments that it will return. So we are going to now going to show you to learning Python Lambda function, how it's work and why we study, why we learning. And so let's go to Lambda function. So Lambda functions can take any number of arguments. So for example, let's to show you lambda function. We have a x equal to lambda a semicolon. We have a, so we have a argument and plus then let's go to print code 5. So we want to return a, okay guys, we wanted to return a. Last run. We have a 5. But so let's go to multiply you guys. So because we wanted to return a function, right? So let's do multiply x okay. Let's do multiply. So guys, we have 15. Now we return a function. So if we 5 multiply 5 to 15. And also we have another way to do. So we wanted to multiply to a with the argument b. So I want to show you now, guys, then to return the result. So let's go to change only this one. Yeah, we wanted to make comma, and then we wanted to change this one a comma to b. Okay, now we wanted to use semicolon, and then a, and then we wanted to multiply to b. Okay, then here we already multiply. So now here we want to only what we want to do. We wanted to leave x, and then we want to use 5, 6. Let's go to run this code. 30. Okay, 5 multiply with 6 give you 30, right? So this is the learner functions. Okay, good learning, guys, in Python function. So, and also we have another example that we summarize argument A and B and C and return the result. So now also you go to use A. The same, just you want to go to change here. It's a very simple, guys, to do it, right? So also we want to give to A and B comma, and then we wanted to message of A we want to use C, then semicolon, yeah, semicolon, and then we have A, right, A multiply by B, right, and then we have a plus, no, okay, just say plus sign, but also we wanted to use plus sign to C, right? Yeah, C, and then we come here to use comma, and then we have a last to run 13, right? That we have a 10, that's it. The 11 plus 2, 13. So this way we use in Lambda functions. And also why we use Lambda function. So Lambda function is so powerful. It's the better shown when you use them as anonymous function inside another function. So we have a function that it will define the arguments and that multiply with the unknown numbers. So what does mean? So let's go to to show you uh, functions. Let's go to delete this one. Okay, we have a deep function, guys. You know, deep function. My okay, my fun. Call me the my fun, and then I wanted to use n. Okay, and then return lambda. Want to return lambda a no. So I want to use a semicolon a. Okay, now I want to multiply to n. Go to my use get doubler. Okay, go to doubler equal to my function to the argument 2. Then I want to bring it. Now we wanted to give the my doubler, but I want to give 11. Let's go to run respond 22. 11 multiplied by 2, guys, give you 22, right? So this is okay. 11, no, so not multiply 11 plus 2. So when you 11 multiply by 2, it will give you 22. So this is the we use lambda functions, and then we use inside and another function. So we have inside this one, and then we have another function called my double. So this we use like this to get lambda functions. So it's easy to learn, guys. Very simple. And yeah, and yes, and also I wanted to give you another function that also okay. We use my function inside, and then we return lambda function. And here we use n, and then we use instead of we use a double. So we use tripular. We use my tripular. Okay, equal to my function. So let's go to, we want it to 11, but we want it to 4 times. Okay, here only just we change my driver. Last to run this code, we have a 44. So this is the way we use with our we sing in triplets. Okay. Also we use in same, but guys we also use with a triplet, and then we also can use uh double. So let's go to use my, okay. Okay, we use doubler, and then equal to we use my fun. So we go also give 3. Okay, and then we came here, we use also print. Okay, my doubler, and we use here also 11. Let's go to run this one. Yeah, yeah. We got my doubler and we go my traveler. So this is the way, guys, how to use Lambda functions in Python. And I hope, guys, you learn and you got the ideas. And yeah, we are going to learn another topic. I want to make full video in the future. And yes, and see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.